In today's digital world, data centers are at the backbone of everything. And they rely on one critical factor, which is reliable and fast connectivity. We supply optical fiber solutions. We engage with customers from the custom design stage through the installation and the maintenance of the systems. We're not delivering cabling solutions. We're building the foundations for faster, smarter and scalable data centers. One of the key features of this product is the modularity. How easy it is to use, no tools are required, modules snap in. We can have up to 12 modules and a combination of optical and copper. Part of the evolution of how we want to help customers develop their networks, mostly with ease of use, with flexibility and being able to scale. And if they need to change from an LC duplex configuration to SN, that is not a problem. They just need to replace a module, click it into place without disturbing the whole cabling system.